Ready? Alright, so now it didn't rest as long as I wanted to, but we're gonna do this. I'm gonna divide it into 4 pieces. 4 pieces. Alright. Sprinkle a little flour on it. And you're gonna knead again. Now you use the hand right here to knead. So you just, and the concept of kneading is to make the flour like flexible, you know, elastic-ish. So knead it. Put it right there. See, this is a great family activity. Everybody get a piece of the dough. Knead. Let it sit there. Just gonna put a little bit of flour. Right. Sit there. Last piece to knead. Okay, you could use your hand and your fingers like this, or this, or this. Knead. See? Take a little ball. Let it sit. Alright, so now we know we're gonna make 4 loaves of bread. Now, I have this, I know not everybody have. I use this as my bread pan. I have 4 of them. So this is what I use. So because I'm teaching people, you don't have to go out and buy these. If you can't find it, you could use something like this. I'll show you. Try the back of it. Alright. So now I'm going to grease the pan. I'll show you exactly how my grandmother taught me. So, I'm going to use this shortening right here. Use a half a paper towel. Use the shortening and grease the pan. Get the corners real good. Grease it. Okay. So one pan is greased, and then I'm going to use this. What is this? A cookie tray? What is this called? What's this called, Edison?
Flat pan? I don't know.
A cookie tray. A baking. What is it? A baking pan? I don't know. Call it what you may. But I hardly ever use this for baking bread. But I know most people would have this in their kitchen, so it's the first time I'm going to use this. I usually use like 4 of those. Okay, so we grease it. Now we're going to flour it. This is my grandmother's trick to prevent the dough from sticking. So you put some flour in here, and then she will shake it Make the flour. Put down on each end. See that? For some more flour. She says she's flouring it. My grandmother's trick. Back up, little boy. See the flour the pan. Alright, so it's ready. Pans are ready. And that's it. Until I come to make these out. So I will be back.
What are you gonna do?